Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through a proven 10-step strategy to make money online. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Developing the right mindset. Understand that ethical creation of wealth is possible. Making money online requires a shift in mindset. Believe in the possibility and integrity of your efforts. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Leverage your expertise. If you have specialized knowledge, use it. Be confident in your expertise without boasting or downplaying your skills. Step 3. Pick a social media platform. Choose a text-based platform like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, or a video-based platform like YouTube or TikTok. Your content will vary depending on your comfort with writing or video creation. Step 4. Start posting regularly. Answer questions on Quora related to your field and share these answers on your chosen social media platform. Simplify complex topics for easy understanding. Consistency is key. Step 5. Build an audience. Create a professional profile, engage positively with your followers, and block negative interactions. Your audience will grow if you maintain a professional tone and provide valuable content. Step 6. Listen to your audience. Pay attention to their concerns and problems. Offer solutions through guides, videos, or presentations. Collect testimonials instead of money at first. Step 7. Build an email list and a basic website. Use platforms like ConvertKit for your email list and Card for your website. Start this within the first 2 months to create a solid foundation. Step 8. Figure out how to receive money. Set up accounts on Stripe, Mercury, or PayPal. Connect these to your website to facilitate smooth transactions. Test the system to ensure everything works perfectly. Step 9. Build a product or offer a paid service. After consistent posting and audience engagement, identify their problems and create solutions. Offer these as products or services at a reasonable price. Gather feedback to improve. Step 10. Promote your product or service. Add links to your social media bios and pin testimonials. Use viral posts to introduce your offerings to new audiences. Be patient, sincere, and honest. Avoid shortcuts and ghostwriters. Write and promote daily. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to making $50,000 online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you next time.